Hello everyone, welcome to Urbashi's world. Singju was my favorite snack I grew up with. It's a local snack of the Manipur, India. The ingredients we use are raw papaya and cabbage, thinly sliced or grated. Tuning Kok is the name for the medicinal plant in the Manipuri language of Manipur, Northeast India. In English, it is commonly known as chemelin plant, lizard tail or fishworth. Perula seeds is the most important ingredient for making today's Singju. We call it thoiding in Manipuri language. We will use 3 tablespoons of roasted perula seeds. We need a cup of boiled black chickpeas as a source of protein, and it enhances the flavor of the Singju. First, let's cut the cabbage into half, thinly slice it or grate it, whichever you prefer. To make the process faster, I cut and slice the raw papaya off camera. I have purchased all the ingredients from Super G Mart International Market in the USA. You can also get all these ingredients from the H Mart International Market in the USA. On a plate, place a kitchen towel or tissue paper and spread evenly the cut cabbages and raw papaya. Cabbages and raw papaya produce more water after it's cut. The usage of kitchen towels or tissue paper is gonna absorb the excess water. Turn on the gas stove on low flame. Heat the pan and add 10 to 11 dry red chilies into the pan. Keep on stirring to avoid burning. Let's blend our roasted red chilies into the blender. Perfect. This is the exact consistency I need for today's Singju. On a low flame, let's roast the perula seeds. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of perula seeds. Keep on stirring to avoid burning. It took me 3 to 4 minutes to complete the process. Let's blend our roasted perula seeds into the blender. Voila! Our roasted perula seeds powder is ready. On a low flame, let's roast the chickpea flour or besan. We are using 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan. Keep on stirring to avoid burning. You have to be extremely careful, otherwise it burns out the besan quickly. It's been 3 minutes. Our roasted besan is ready. Let's turn off the gas stove. Let's make our Singju. Add half a teaspoon of dry red chili powder. If you prefer a spicier Singju, you can add more red chili powder. Add salt according to the taste. Add 3 tablespoons of roasted perula seeds powder. The secret of making a delicious Singju is mixing all the ingredients thoroughly with your hands. Please excuse me, I have not used hand gloves, but my hands are clean. Off camera, I have washed my hands with soap and water. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Let's add our roasted chickpea flour or besan. For garnishing, we are using cilantro and tuning kok, which is commonly known as chemelin plant, lizard tail or fishworth, a medicinal plant. And finally, mixing all the ingredients nicely. Lastly, add a cup of boiled black chickpeas. It's optional choice, you can skip it. This is a very super healthy oil-free snack, a good combination of protein and carbs. Have you not tried the recipe of Singju? Please do try the recipe and let me know in the comments. Our Singju is ready. You can have it as a snack or as a starter for lunch and dinner. Thank you for watching my video.